Hi, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw the fruits guava. It's a nice fruit and nice taste. Let's begin from top. Draw the outlines here. It has the connections with the tree with this kind of holder. Alright. Let's have an outline like this. Let's connect all of this. Connect these two lines here. Few details at the bottom. And we can draw the leaves like this. Leaves are round in shape. Detailing will be like this, and also on this side too. We can draw two outlines like this round shape and this round shape. So this is the guava fruit. Now we can put the color. Okay, let's put color here. The bunch of the trees, branch. Then you can draw the leaves here like this, and on the side of the leaves. You know, when you put the color, the drawing looks good, better than before. Let's put green on the leaves. Darker shade to the border. Darker shade to the border. And lighter shade in the middle. Let's follow the same steps for all over the drawing and do the repetition of the each details as we have done for the previous one. The demonstration of each drawing you see here as the drawing is getting progress to forward. If you follow this demonstration, I hope you will be able to draw nice and better drawing as you see here. Let's put dark green to the center. To the top and to the end too. Then we can put few greens here in the middle along with this outline. Let's put some color, progress outwards. All right. As you can see, the detailing we're drawing, the color of the fruits is looking more good and better. See here, if you follow the steps and do the practice of your own in your leisure time, you can keep making better and doing better than before. Each time you do the practice, each time you can develop your efficiency. Nothing to hurry, just have your own time and put all the shades to make the drawing nice and real. See, because of the shades, it's giving the depiction that these things or this fruit is having a property of being the circular or round in shape. The shades is going to say that one. Let's combine the lines to the ends and the shades to the ends. Okay. Now we can put the lighter green in the middle of this one. That's how we make the little color variation, which is better for the presentation, as you see here. All right. After this one, you can follow the next steps, like you can put more shades like this, as I am doing with the pencil, to make the outline or the border little bit darker. Okay, or we can get a black one. Yeah, I got the black one. Okay, now it's easy. See the drawing getting nice. All right. Same thing happens for the other side too. Let's progress. Need to do the drawing further. Nice. All right. More shade in the middle, in the end, on top. More shade along with this outline. Let's do a few details for the leaves here, as you see. So each segment, if possible, put some shades like this to show the 3D effect, like the other drawings I have done. If you see more of my videos, then you can follow the more of the techniques of drawing the more you do practice or follow the techniques, the drawing looks more nice. As you can see, when I'm putting the shades in these leaves, I'm putting the dark shades along with the outline of the drawings, and as I am progress further, the shades becoming lighter, so one side of the shade is darker and one side of the shade is becoming lighter. That's the basic things to follow and the properties of each drawing. It's nothing complicated, very simple. So each time you draw, each time you can follow this one. Alright, so this is the outline and the final drawing of the guava. I hope you guys like my video. This is a nice scenery in the evening, as you can see here. Wonderful moments. Alright, let's go back to drawing. Please do the practice and please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.